Hold tight, everybody locked in right now, no matter where in the world you are. Mike Reckless, Apple Music Beats 1, privileged to be here. Hold tight, Sloth, thank you for the opportunity, brother.
The Scamper!
Yeah. I'll kill them in the verse and in real life. I'll kill them so they learn what it feels like. Life's only guarantees that you will die. Yeah. I'll kill them in the verse and in real life. I'll kill them so they learn what it feels like. Life's only guarantees that you'll die. Yeah. I'll kill them in the verse and in real life. I'll kill them so they learn what it feels like. Life's only guarantees that you will die. Look, I'll kill them in the verse and in real life. I'll kill them so they learn what it feels like. Life's only guarantees that you will die. Said I feel like killing myself, I still might. Said I'm gonna hang out the mic, I'm still Mac. Rottweiler by my side, it will bite. He ain't friendly, ain't been fed in 10 weeks. He's like me, he hates feds and MCs. He ain't ate, and if the plate is empty, we hunt beef, hey mate, this ain't fresh meat. Rather meet my end than barely make ends meet. If you saw what the bang done to your friend's teeth, you wouldn't be online saying shit to offend me. I shouldn't go outside looking to find you, but don't tempt me. Seen so much telly in my life, I think I'm 10 feet wide. Don't get me like an empty sky, my mind wide like FBI. Sick of trying to guess what happens to me when we die. Pull up in the blue M3, the black Bentley, the white Rangy, the wife crazy, she got an STI. Pull up shooting at the passenger and then we drive. Is it really any wonder why they envy mine? Don't fall into misery, call it a mystery. Balling with all of my mandem and symmetry. Balling for all of my mandem and symmetries. Balling for all of you man till infinity. Finna be grabbing the bag of the piff and the ham and the cap in the back of your whip and the break to your back and attack you with it. I mean actually rapping or having a fit. Perfect. I think rap is a gift. I rap till I'm dead. That's whether I'm rapping or rapping up spliffs. She ratchet, we shagging, I rap out the dick. Ain't catching the rash, I'm a rationalist. Got raps on my wrist, in case I bump into a rapper I dissed. Hey yo, Sloth, I finally understand why these rappers are pissed.
Why is that?
They're actually pricks. I roll like an athlete with holes in my trachea. I roll with a staffy, you know if I catch you alone in the alley. And in my back pocket I'm holding a bally, you know I'll be anti. I'm smoking the Cali, it's kosher, not ammy. I roll it with backy, let no one distract me. There's holes in your plan and the whole thing is patchy. You wanted to stop me, I'm off on Ducatis, off on Apache. Whatever I'm off on, I know you won't catch me. So go take a backseat, gauges on max pressure. Drapes in black leather, like my name's Max Teller or Jax Teller. But it ain't, it's the T, the A, the K, the A, the L, the O, the B, the I, the G, the H, the A, the S, the H, the I. That if you can't say the name, say it's Mike. Cause I put the ash in Takalubagashi, I put the lube in Takalubagashi. I put the lube and smash it in a batty. I put the lube and smash it in a batty. Look, they don't like me cause I'm moving all scatty. Don't act like I won't move the man. I got family in Elmley, family on Cat B, family on Elm Street. Fam, that's a bad dream. I ain't with a chat shit, catfish wanna have beef. Hide behind an at sign, acting like you're active. You just wanna act deep, hit 'em with a gas pipe. I smell a gas leak, wanna fuck 'em up gladly. Nassim with a hand speed, runs in the family. One brother was an athlete, other was a crack fiend. Mother was a trap queen, Shank like my surname. Takalubagashi, longer than a Oh, Bill got filth on us. You lay a thumb on any one of us, you will get touched. Fuck debating. Mess with any one of us, I'll cut some faces. Family, even if we ain't blood related, we gon' link up and bun some flavors. Man, them is an understatement. Dedicate this to anybody in the scene and its victims. A sympathetic eyes, cause I've been one. I provide wisdom, advice, and give love. I wish to find some myself, but get now. You talk a tough one on Twitter and Insta. Fuck the internet in the flesh, shit. Never seen a bitch run so quick. What bitch you spitting about? Never mind which one, let's just have a witch hunt. I just wanna spit some lyrics and get my dick sucked. I say it how it is and I'm the sick one. Ain't gonna be diplomacy if you diss us. Look at you a discuss, ain't no discussing it. This cutter is this fucking big, this us. You got guts, this will get stuck in it in public. I'll cut you and whoever you coming with. That's for running with this bitch, in case you're wondering. I'll cut queues at McDonald's and cut you in front of kids. Blood everywhere, they won't know what to dip nuggets in. That's for thinking I'm a prick, I'm sick and McLovin' it. Oh. Yeah man, you popping but the coffin awaits. Think I can't throw shade on a popular name? You went popped and got popped by the great. That's when the plan went pop in your face. And if I see you in the flesh, bet I'm popping your chain. When you was in the mirror popping your spots, I was top of the chain, top of the charts, top of the pops. Before you could even hold your head and look at the stars, I was digging out the trenches, putting in graft. Same trenches you hiding when the bullets come past. You're such a pussy, oh, I can't even put it in bars. Fuck a diss track, you should just get put on your ass. Stay in your flat, pull up in vans, waving Iranian flags. Tusi Toram, love to see a pussy, oh, pooping and pissing his pants. I listen to that, yeah, I'm taking the piss and I ain't giving it back. I don't get tired like the Michelin man. Writing a new verse, killing the track. And if the truth hurts, fuck it, I'm just spitting the facts. It's a homage homicide, they are on the mic. What you wanna fight? Swear on your life. Spend a day in my mind, you'll be horrified. And if I see you in the flesh, don't apologize. It's a homicide, they are on the mic. What you wanna fight? Swear on your life. Spend a day in my mind, you'll be horrified. And if I see you in the flesh, don't apologize. Yes.
Perfect.
Charlie Sloth, the greatest rap show in the world right now.
Wow! Mike Reckless! Mike Righteous! You're a savage, my guy!